Here we are again. Last video, we had just gotten the plans for the Thatcher CX-5 aircraft. And the first part of the project is to build a workbench, which I have here. It's recommended that you do an 8 or 12 foot workbench. I went ahead and went with the 12 foot. Figured I have the space in the hangar, so why not? 3 feet wide by 3 feet tall is probably a little bit more, 38 by 38, just because of the dimensions of the wood that was used. And then as you see here, the steel angle that's recommended. This is where a lot of the bending of the sheet metal happens. And what's recommended in the plans is 3 inches by 3 inches by 1/4 inch. Locally, all they had available in 1/4 inch was 3 inches by 4 inches, and that works. I mean, 1 extra inch isn't really going to do anything. The bends that happen on this happen along the edge here. This will work just fine for the purposes of this aircraft build. Gathered all the tools, or most of the tools that are on the plans. I've got the compressor, which I already had, a drill press, which I already had. A lot of those hand tools up here already had those as well. Ordered a couple of things from Aircraft Spruce, or specifically on the plans. This particular drill bit here, an acrylic drill, and the microstop countersink. Picked these up from Aircraft Spruce. My Clico, got what was recommended in the plans there. Hammers, the hammer set here for bending the metal. I also have a couple of vices attached here. And then over here, I've got a pneumatic rivet gun, as well as a manual rivet gun. Here's a Clico tool. Pneumatic shears for cutting the metal. These I already happen to have. I also have the manual shears picked up from Arbor Freight for less than $15. And these I picked up from Arbor Freight for like $3, I believe. This was like $10 or $15 from Arbor Freight. A lot of this stuff can be picked up from Arbor Freight. Adjustable circle cutter. I believe I picked this up through Amazon. And that's about it as far as what's necessary for this to begin this build. The big project was putting together this workbench, which I wanted to have something with some good lighting, something that I could organize all the tools and have everything ready to go. And so that took me about a day to put this together, and then I had to go find the steel angle, and that's actually what I just finished attaching. So the next video we'll actually start looking at the plans and get ready to start building this aircraft.